Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Runcam Racer 5, the first FPV camera that features an integrated gyro. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its features and specs, demonstrate the gyro feature, and show you some flight footage. In terms of packaging, inside the box along with the camera, you're getting a bag with M2 screws and a JST harness for connecting the camera to your flight controller, so keep in mind that no OSD control board is included. As for its specs, except the gyro feature, it is pretty much identical to the Runcam Racer 3, so unlike the Racer 4, it is not compatible with the DJI digital system. In addition, the Racer 5 weighs 6 grams, its outer dimensions are 19 by 19 by 20.7 millimeters, and you can get it with a 1.8 or a 2.1 millimeters lens. Just like the previous Racer cameras, setting up the Racer 5 can be done either using an OSD control board, which is not provided, or by using the RX and TX pins on the camera, which you will need to connect to a free UART port on your flight controller and configure it accordingly on Betaflight. In addition, by connecting the RX and TX pins of the camera to your flight controller, you'll be able to update its firmware using the SpeedyBee app, and you can toggle between UART and joystick control modes by shorting the RX and TX pins while powering on the camera. After turning on the camera, the first thing that you are probably going to notice is this new OSD element on the screen, which indicates the angle of the camera. The built-in gyro of the Racer 5 comes pre-calibrated out of the factory, but in case you would like to recalibrate it, place the back side of the camera on a flat surface and long press the left button of the OSD control board. As for the other settings, you can access the OSD configuration by long pressing the top button of the OSD control board. Then under this menu, you'll be able to adjust the pilot name, the timer, choose whether you'd like to show the pitch angle or not, turn on or off the sharp view mode, which is by default turned on, turn on or off the widescreen mode, and set the picture system to either NTSC or PAL. The other camera settings can be accessed by short pressing the center button. Then over here, you'll be able to flip the camera, adjust the brightness, contrast, sharpness, hue, and color gain, set the language, and perform a camera reset. In addition, by long pressing the right button of the OSD control board, you can toggle between Lightrax and personal mode, and by long pressing the button, you can reset the OSD configuration. As for its latency, since it is using pretty much the same camera board of the previous Racer cameras, it is still ultra low and should be around 6 milliseconds. So overall, in case you are into FPV racing, and especially if you are a professional racer, I think that you will find the new gyro feature appealing, since it's going to help you to better set up your camera on the racetrack. However, in my opinion, other users will find it pretty redundant. I'm going to wrap up this quick video with some flight footage, and once the weather will clear up, I'm going to perform a side-by-side comparison with other FPV cameras under different lighting conditions. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.